Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you this magic face mask. So simple and easy and the results just amazing. Well, let's get started. All you need is 1 teaspoon of almond oil, 1 teaspoon of rose water, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. This face mask combines the nourishing properties of almond oil, the soothing effects of rose water, and the hydrating benefits of aloe vera gel. Almond oil helps moisturize and soften the skin, while rose water has a calming effect and can help balance the skin's pH. Aloe vera gel is known for its soothing and hydrating properties, making this mask suitable for most skin types. In a small bowl, mix all the ingredients together until well blended. You should have a smooth and consistent mixture. Don't forget to clean your face before applying any face mask. Now, using clean fingertips or a brush, apply the face mask evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave it for about 20 minutes to allow all the ingredients to work on your skin. Rinse off the mask with warm water and gently pat your face dry with a clean towel. Follow up with your regular moisturizer to lock in the hydration. Aloe vera gel and almond oil are both excellent moisturizers. They can help hydrate and nourish your skin, leaving it soft, supple, and moisturized. Regular use of this face mask can help combat dryness and maintain the skin's natural moisture balance. Aloe vera gel and rose water have soothing properties that can help calm irritated or inflamed skin. If you have sensitive or easily irritated skin, using this face mask regularly may help reduce redness and irritation, providing a soothing and calming effect. Rose water is known for its brightening properties and can help improve the overall appearance of your skin. Regular use of this face mask may help reduce dullness and promote a more radiant complexion. Almond oil also contains vitamin E, which can help even out the skin tone and improve skin texture. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.